The Awards Network is pleased to support SCQF Week 2021. We work to grow awareness of the range and value of youth awards available to young people across Scotland and the contribution that these awards make to the development of key skills for learning, life and work. It's not all about academic qualifications. Last year, almost 37,000 youth awards achieved by young people in Scotland provided accreditation levelled on the SCQF. From SCQF Level 2 up to SCQF Level 7, which is equivalent to Advanced Higher. We value the framework as a tool to demonstrate equivalence between formal and non-formal learning achievement. It helps employers, parents, and young people themselves to recognise the real value of personal learning and achievement gained through youth awards.